The truth about why most people stay broke and how to achieve financial freedom. What if I told you that staying broke isn't about how much you earn, but how you think, act, and make decisions every single day? Most people don't realize they're stuck in a financial trap they've built for themselves. But here's the good news. If you know the truth, you can escape it. Ready to find out what's holding you back and how to break free? Let's dive in. Why is it that millions of people work tirelessly every day, yet stay stuck in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living? Why does financial freedom seem like a dream for so many? The truth is shocking, but also empowering. Today, we're diving deep into the real reasons most people stay broke, and more importantly, how you can break free from the trap. Most people settle for comfort. They think, I've got a job, I'm paying my bills, I'm doing okay. But here's the truth. Comfort is the enemy of progress. When you're comfortable, you're not growing. And when you're not growing, you're not building wealth. The difference between just getting by and thriving financially lies in what you do with your free time. Are you using it to grow or to stay stuck? Here's another hard truth. Most people spend money they don't have on things they don't need to impress people they don't even like. This is what we call the consumer mentality. Instead of letting your money work for you, you're working harder and harder to pay off what you owe. The wealthy, on the other hand, focus on investing. They prioritize assets that grow in value, real estate, stocks, businesses, over liabilities like expensive cars and fancy gadgets. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how you make that money grow. Think about this. How much did you learn about money in school? Probably close to nothing. Schools teach us to be good employees, but they don't teach us how to manage money, build wealth, or escape the rat race. The truth is, financial literacy is your ticket to freedom. The more you understand about budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt, the closer you get to financial independence. So, take control. Read books, watch videos, take courses. No one is coming to save you. It's on you to learn. Another reason people stay broke? They're afraid to take risks. They stick to the familiar, stable jobs, low-interest savings accounts, and avoiding anything that feels uncertain. But here's the truth. The biggest risk is doing nothing at all. Smart investors take calculated risks. They don't gamble, they learn. And with learning comes confidence. Start small, but start somewhere. You've probably heard this before. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, who's in your circle? Are they helping you grow or keeping you stuck? Surround yourself with people who challenge you to level up. Find mentors, attend seminars, and be around those who inspire you to think bigger. Let's face it, excuses are easy. I don't have time. I wasn't born rich. The system is against me. But every excuse you make is a brick in the wall between you and success. Successful people don't make excuses, they make adjustments. They find a way, even when the odds are stacked against them. So how do you break free from being broke? It starts with a plan. Budget. Track every penny. Know where your money is going. Save. Build an emergency fund and set aside money for investments. Invest. Put your money to work through stocks, real estate, or businesses. Grow. Invest in yourself, your skills, your mindset, and your network. Small steps lead to big results. The road to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The truth is, staying broke is a choice, but so is building wealth. You have the power to change your story. Start today. Learn, grow, take risks, and invest in yourself. Your future self is waiting, and they're counting on you to make the right moves. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and break free from the cycle of being stuck, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Smart Talk Insights for more valuable tips and strategies on wealth building. But before you go, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest financial mistake you've made, and how did it shape your journey? Do you believe that taking risks is necessary for wealth, or can you build financial freedom without stepping outside your comfort zone? If you could give one piece of financial advice to someone just starting out, what would it be? Drop your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Let's continue this conversation and grow together.